walked alone beneath the sky so wide. The moon was shy, it hid its face tonight. A shooting star told secrets streaking past. It whispered truths my mind could never grasp. The trees were waving with their ancient hands, their rooted feet in deep and quiet lands. The world was humming soft beneath my feet, a melody the cosmos can repeat. Oh, shooting stars, you're spilling light so fast. I wish your truths could linger here and last. Secrets you whisper are tales for the brave, fleeting as waves and the life that we crave. I saw a shadow dancing on the hill. Its rhythm sang of magic that could thrill. It vanished quick, no trace of where it fell. A fleeting glimpse of stories one can't tell. The night it sings a chord so bittersweet, the harmony of loss and joys we meet. A tune so raw it echoes through our time, crafting a song with passion true and prime. Oh, shooting stars, you're spilling light so fast.